Hello, everyone, and welcome to ENATEGA, your all-in-one white-label food delivery management solution built with the latest technologies. With ENATEGA, you can start your own food delivery business in a matter of days. Our front-end app repos are completely open source, so that anyone can check them out and get a clear sense of how our solution works. Our documentation is also freely available, along with live demos for each of our modules. You can find all of that on our GitHub repo. You can check out the links for all of the demos and documentations in the description below. Our backend is proprietary and can be acquired by a paid license. Acquiring our license is quick and easy, and you don't need to worry about making monthly payments, as once you buy the license, you own the solution forever. Now, let's take a look at our backend and what our API is capable of. So let's jump on to GraphQL. That's where our database resides. You'll see that all of the queries are present here, along with all of the mutations, like so. As an example, we'll just run any one of these queries and see how they work. So let's just pick a random query here. Let's go for maybe tips. You'll see all of the fields listed for this particular query, and then you can go in and run these individually. However, let's try this one as an example, and let's click on example query, and here we go. It'll show you all of the statuses and how the entire API responds from the backend. Now, let's take a look at our admin dashboard. The admin dashboard is the control center for your entire platform. There are two roles within the admin dashboard: super admin and vendor. The super admin has all the permissions to make changes within their platform. The super admin access is given once the paid license is purchased. The super admin can add restaurants, riders, configure payment options, set delivery bounds, manage pricing, commissions, and much more. The other role that we have is the vendor role. The vendor or restaurant can log in with the username and password created by the super admin. The vendor can only see details and make changes for their own restaurant. First, let's log in as the super admin using a dummy account. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the vendors tab. Here you can create and add vendors that are partnering with your business. You can see more details on how to do that here. Now, let's take a quick look at all the different sections within the super admin dashboard. You can see them all on the navigation bar on the left side. First, the restaurant tab. Here you can see a list of all of your added restaurants and enable or disable them. This shows or hides them from your users on the app. Next, we have the restaurant sections tab, which you can use to post ads or promotions within the user app. You can create and enable or disable each ad or promotion from here. In the users tab, you can get an overview of all the users that have joined your platform. This includes their name, phone number, and email. In the riders section, you can create accounts for all of your riders, then assign them zones according to their preference and location. You can also see a list of all of your riders and enable or disable them from here as well. You can get more details about this section in our tutorial here. Now for the configuration tab. We don't allow access to this section for the demo, but you can get a detailed look at all of the options by following this link here. Next, we have the coupons tab, where you can create and enable different coupons for your platform. Next, we have the cuisines tab. Here you can add different varieties of your food, like Asian, Italian, Indian, etc. In the tipping section, you can set the different amount of tip rates that will be shown to the customer when they're placing the order. These tips are given out to the riders and are on a percentage basis. Next up, we have zones. From the Zones tab, you can draw an area around the map to determine the delivery radius for your riders. Once you're done creating a zone, simply save it and it becomes available to assign to your riders. Check out this video to get a better understanding of the Zones tab. Moving on to the Notifications tab. From here, you can send out global notifications to all of your users. Simply add a title and the body text for your custom notification and click Save to send it out to all users. And the last two tabs we have are the Commission Rates and Withdrawal Requests tab. In the Commission Rates tab, you can set commissions for your vendors. The value that you add will be a percentage of each order. Finally, in the Withdrawal Requests tab, you can see the rider's request to withdraw cash from their wallets. From here, you can change the status of the request between requested, transferred, or canceled.